Hey there, I am Gunapriya. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel GpnArts. Today I made this paper brinjal. If you want to learn how to make this paper brinjal, then let's move to our video. Here we have one square paper. Now what we are going to do, put this corner on this corner and press it. So you will get one line here. Now put this side on the middle line like that and press it. Same on this side. Press it. Now here we have one corner. Fold from here and put this corner on here. And press it. Now here is middle line. What we are going to do, put this side on the middle line. And press it. Same with this side. Now here we have three corners. What we are going to do, fold this corner inside like this and these two also. Now turn the paper. Now what we are going to do, here we have one square green paper. Same, put this corner on this corner and press it. Here is your first fold. Open it. Here you can see one line. This is your first fold and again fold like this. This is your second fold. Here we get one line. So what we are going to do, put this side on the middle line and press it. Same with this side. Press it. Now open it. Here you can see lines. Now what we are going to do, put this side on this line and press it. So here you get another line. Same with this side. So here also you get one another line. Now fold on this line. Here also Now here you can see a corner. Fold this corner inside, place here, and again fold on upside and press it. Now we are going to paste this on the brinjal. Use glue. And here our paper brinjal is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, then do not forget to share it with your family and friends. For upcoming more video, please subscribe GpnArts. Till then, bye.